Hello there, and welcome to another edition of Case or No Case here on Fox Focus. I'm Andrea Williams, and we're ready to test just how well you know the law. And joining us is attorney Jeff Pitman from PKSD. How's it going, Jeff?
Doing really well. How about yourself? I've been working on my COVID-19 beard, so.
Oh, the beard. And it looks good on you, though. It
Thank
looks
you.
good. I'm doing very well.
Yeah.
Let's get down to business.
So let's pretend that kids are going to go back to school sometime, okay? And your kids get on the school bus, and as the school bus is driving down the road, it gets rear-ended by a big honking SUV. And as a result of that, your child gets injured, falls in the seat in front of her, and suffers a pretty serious neck injury as a result of that. The driver of the big honking SUV does not have insurance. So case or no case against the bus company?
Well, I'm guessing the bus company is insuring against uninsured drivers, so there's definitely a case.
You've definitely been listening. You're right. So uninsured motorist coverage would cover the accident with the bus. And if the parents of the child have auto insurance and uninsured motorists, they're covered that way too.
Yeah, that's precious cargo for sure. Just remember, if you need to find out if you have a case or no case, dial the 333-3333 for the PKSD guarantee.